Hey my loves, welcome back to your girl's channel. I'm back with another wig review, and today I'm going to share with you all what was sent to me from no other than Unice. It's a natural extension of You hair, and they sent me a nice 16-inch, and I'll share and it comes in a little nice box like this, and in it houses the unit. I'll share with you all the unit in a minute, but I want to share with you all what comes in this here box. Now, Unice, they call it Unice, I think it's Unice. But they sent me these lashes. These are some dramatic lashes. I want to show you guys this. I'm going to open it up so that you can see the lashes. These are the lashes that come in the box. You get a wig cap. Actually, you get two, if I'm not mistaken. You get a wig cap, and you get some headbands, and you also get their card that they let you know that it's from Amazon. You can find this unit on Amazon at Unice Hair, and it just tells you how to wash the hair and whatnot. So let's get into this unit that they sent me. This is a headband wig, and now one thing about this headband wig, I say if you do send a headband wig, I want it shorter. So I wanted the length to be a little bit shorter, which they said it was. So they sent me, I believe, a 16-inch. I'm going to make sure. Okay, so let me give you some information about this hair from Unice. It is a Unice headband wig. It is a human hair curly wig, Brazilian virgin hair, which is glueless, non-lace front wig. It's 150% density, and it is a 16-inch, as you can see that. And yeah, so the one that I have is a 1B. It's a 16-inch, and yeah, that's what I picked. So I'm going to show you what the unit has. It has your Velcro, and this you fit like on the back of your head so that it can hold the unit in place. And it comes with some wide combs, one in the front. There aren't any on the side. I find myself really not using the combs. Maybe like every now and then I'll use the comb that's in the back. But the headband wig is, in my opinion, if it's crafted nicely, if the craftsmanship is good, it is like, it'll fit to your head. And yeah, so it's one in the back. And then I see this little strap which stretches, so you don't have to worry about it not fitting on your head, because it will. And like I state in my videos, this right here, headband right here, it fits on the front. You don't necessarily have to wear your baby hairs out if you don't want to, but this is an option. You can wear it, or you can kind of like tuck it in if you want to. But let me show you how to put the unit on. So what I do is, you can open up the headband, but I like to, for those of y'all who are beginners, this is like a beginner video, I take the hair and I'll just clip it. I'm going to get a clip. Take the hair and clip it, okay? And then you can just open up your wig to move your hair out the way. Okay, and I'm going to take this off. This is a scarf, and right now I have on a wig cap. And that comes with your, I have on a wig cap. Now that comes in the box that I showed you, but the wig cap was like a nude shade. It doesn't really matter, in my opinion, when you're wearing your headband wig, because you won't see it. I think that more so has something to do with if you're wearing like lace fronts and whatnot. So we're going to put the cap on, and you know this part of the hair goes in the front. So I'm going to take it like so. You can actually put it on like this to see where you want it. Okay. So I want it to about right here. So I'm just going to start pulling it down. I usually like to pull it from put it on the back and then just pull it up like so. And you just take your time. I'll take this comb and I'll just tuck it in so that it'll stay. And then I just start tucking in my, if I have braids, my cap, and I'll just pull it down. This is the headband, like so. Make sure it's smooth. So you're going to take your Velcro straps and move the hair out the way. It should have been pinned up. Okay, so I'm going to take this Velcro and I'm just going to put it towards the back and adjust it to my liking, making sure that it's secure, which it is. And you know, you just make sure that your baby hairs are in place. So I'll just get my comb, just making sure that they're in place. I have gel on my hair already, but if you don't, you can just use some jam or some regular gel or some Nairobi to lay your edges down if you want that natural look. And so you take your clip out and you just, you know, start playing with it. Now this is a unit that you don't need to wet because it comes it's just beautiful. It comes like so. As you can see, you don't have to wet it, and you really don't even have to comb it, but I'm going to comb it to see if I have any shedding. Yes, so just a little, but not too much. Yeah, and this is a really cute unit, so I'm going to comb it out. Okay. Okay, so you get just a little shedding. I'm going to put that in the garbage, but it's not bad at all because this is human hair. And it is so pretty, right? I think it is. It is so pretty. So this is the back. Let me show y'all how the back looks. This is the back of the unit. It's not bulky or anything. It just fits. It's a great headband wig. It is so easy. It's beginner friendly. So if you're new to wigs like I am, I'm like maybe 2 months in with wearing wigs. I'm that girl that really didn't wear wigs, and I'm starting to wear wigs, embracing it. It's really easy, fun, flirty. You can wear this wig anywhere, not just to the store, y'all. You can wear this anywhere. This is just so cute. It is so cute. So right now I'm going to take the bands, the headbands that come with the unit. I'm going to take those, and this is really pretty. It's like that tropical look, and I'm going to apply it to my head. Kind of bring it down. And I like the fact that they have it cut in somewhat like layers, because it's not like all one length where it looks heavy and bulky, which is a good thing. So I'm going to take the headband and place it, and don't be, you know, shy. It's the little black strip right here, that little band. It's going to show, but that's okay because it's black and it mixes in with the hair. It blends in with the hair. But this is the hair. The hair is beautiful, and I am really loving it. Yes, it is so pretty. So this is how the headband looks, and this is the other headband that they gave me, and I'll try that on too. I'll leave pictures in the end, but yeah, this headband you can find on Amazon, and it is under, let's see, you can find this on Amazon, and it's under $100, you guys, for a 150% density Brazilian virgin hair. So you don't have to worry about no glue, sewing it, none of that. It's just so cute. It's like on the go. You need this, and there's so many styles that you can create. You can create like some ponytails, some of these. I get these from the Dollar Tree because you're gonna need that when you have your headband. If your headband is black, you can do the cute little ponytails. Let me show y'all. This is what I would do. You can do the cute little ponytails if you're, you know, just cooking dinner and you want to look cute. You can do the look. Or you can do the half up. Let me get my little comb. You can do the half up, half down. Look. The hair is so smooth and so soft. Give yourself a cute little ponytail, like so. Yes. For me, I'll wear it down if I can, but if I'm at work, I'll I'll probably like pin it up with like a clip. But if I'm at work and I can't wear it down, you can also pin it up like so and just have the curls kind of like look better than that though. You could just pin it up like so. But like I said, I like it down. And it's like fun and flirty. So, alright you guys. So with that being said, don't forget to check out Unice Hair on Amazon. Let them know I sent you. And yeah, check out Unice Hair. This is some good hair. This is a really nice unit. And I am feeling it. I do like the color. You can also look, and another thing I wanted to mention is that you can also color your unit. So if you don't really care for this particular shade, you can light it up. You can lighten it up if you know how to color hair, or you can get someone to color it for you. But yeah, this is a great unit. It's real soft. Look, I'm just putting my hands through it and it's not shedding. So that first initial comb, when I put it through, it was just getting all that hair out, but I'm doing this and yeah, I'm doing this and I'm not getting the shedding like I was before. So yeah, this is cute and I like it. This is like this is a cute little headband to wear. But if you don't want to wear that headband, you can wear this one. Take that off. But the only thing about this headband is that it's not covering up so much at the bottom, which is the back. Yeah, it's not covering up too much. So it could be a little bit thicker, but I mean, it's okay. But you can also use yours. You can purchase your own. So this is it. And it's a fun Saturday look. Alright you guys, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Until then, check out the pictures.